Hello and welcome. My name is Maria Appelqvist and I'm here with
Chris Cooper.
And we are here to talk about the relationship intelligence. I'm running a workshop very soon and I hope you like to join us. But today we're going to speak about in this relationship intelligence there is one specific area we're going to talk about today. So what do you say we talk about polarity, Chris?
Polarity, yes. That's the masculine and the feminine.
Yeah.
And,
okay, so understanding masculine and feminine is not to understand man and woman. We all as human beings have the masculine and feminine within us, right? And a lot of people are not truly understanding how the feminine and masculine operates in the world, right?
Yeah.
And how it sort of distorted us from being connected to our sex. So we can have a whole conversation about this, but understanding polarity is to understand that we need both the masculine and feminine. And for me, in order to embrace my feminine, I need to have the
masculine. To change the light bulbs or to do some tasks that maybe
and now you were getting
to do in general.
But now you were making it into doing things, but it's also about the energy, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the masculine and feminine or the different poles. It's like magnets, plus minus. It creates when, like, if you have two who are similar, two masculine, they will, distract from each other. But feminine and masculine are attracting in. So if I would be in my total masculine energy, which I sometimes are in work, like we wouldn't be sexually attracted to each other because in such case he has to step into his feminine energy, it would work, right? So it's about understanding this stance.
Yeah. We're certainly, no one's 100% masculine or 100% feminine, but we look to dovetail the polarities, like the magnet, the north and the south, and I think that creates a strong bond, that powerful magnetic force to bring you together because of your differences
because if you don't have polarity, if we just are similar, if we don't acknowledge the masculine and feminine within us, we would be friends. We wouldn't be lovers. We wouldn't have the sexual attraction. So it's really important to understand this in order to create healthy relationships, I think. Polarity.
And it's interesting, in Sweden, there seems to be a big push to kind of remove the distinction between the masculine and feminine. And Sweden seems to have the highest rate of single people. I don't know.
But it's a whole, we don't want to go there. It's a whole different areas of, I wrote an article about it. So, don't go there.
Absolutely did.
But this is what you want to know. If this is a topic of interest for you, please come and join the online workshop on relationship intelligence.
Look to see you there.